If you have a Land Cruiser 300 series and your battery's flat and you need to get into the car, there is a manual way to do it. Watch this video and find out how. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. In this video I have a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series and this is the GLX model. Now, like most cars, this car has an electronic lock-in system where it uses solenoids to open and close each of the doors, which is great most of the time. However, if you've got a flat battery or there's a problem with the locking mechanisms, you may not be able to get into the car. So because of this, they build in a fail-safe. Now, by fail-safe, there is a hidden mechanical key which is just inside your key by flicking that tab down there, and that's what it looks like. Now I'll just grab the camera and I'll show you where it goes. So as you'll notice, there's actually no keyholes on the passenger side of the vehicle, nor the boot. However, when you come down to the driver's side, just the driver's door has that key slot there. Now it's quite obvious on this car, sometimes they're hidden, but obviously the car is locked now. We're just going to get our mechanical key, pop that in, give it a turn, and you'll notice that is now opened. So we can now access the car, do what we need to do. If you haven't managed to fix it, you can still lock the whole car from doing that as well. So there you go, nice simple video for you, but handy if you need it. If you found that video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.